What if I told you there's a place in the US where mountains scrape the sky, volcanoes sleep beside frozen tundras, and the sun vanishes for months? A place so massive it holds more coastline than all 49 other states combined. Welcome to Alaska, the last frontier. Today, we're uncovering 25 incredible geography facts that will blow your mind. And trust me, number 22 will change the way you see America forever. So grab your coffee, buckle up, and make sure you stick around till the end because Alaska isn't just a state, it's a world of wonders. Let's dive in. Fact number 1. Alaska is the biggest U.S. state. Alaska spans 663,300 square miles. To put that into perspective, it's more than twice the size of Texas, and you could fit California into it 4 times with room to spare. It's bigger than many countries, including Germany, France, and the UK combined. This sheer size contributes to Alaska's wildly diverse geography, from tundras and glaciers to rainforests and volcanoes. Fact number 2. More coastline than all other U.S. states combined. Alaska boasts over 6,640 miles of coastline. Add in the tidal shoreline, and you get more than 33,000 miles. That's longer than the entire U.S. East and West coasts combined. From rugged cliffs and sandy beaches to icy fjords and remote coves, Alaska's coastlines offer some of the most dramatic scenery in the world. Fact number 3. Denali, the tallest mountain in North America. Towering at 20,310 feet, Denali isn't just a mountain, it's a force of nature. It rises higher from base to peak than even Mount Everest due to its prominence. Denali also has its own weather system, often shrouding the summit in clouds even on otherwise sunny days. Fact number 4. Over 100,000 glaciers. Alaska is home to more than 100,000 glaciers, which cover around 5% of the state's land area. These massive rivers of ice are constantly moving, shaping valleys and carving the land. The Columbia Glacier, for example, is retreating at an incredible rate, revealing how climate change is transforming Alaska. Fact number 5. 130 plus volcanoes. Many of Alaska's volcanoes are still active. The state sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, a region known for frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Volcanoes like Mount Redoubt and Mount Pavlov remind residents that Alaska is a land where Earth's forces are always at work. Fact number 6. Malaspina Glacier is bigger than Rhode Island. This massive glacier spreads out over 1,500 square miles. Viewed from the air, it looks like a giant pancake spilling out into the sea. It's one of the best examples of a Piedmont glacier on Earth. Fact number 7. Largest national park in the U.S. Wrangell St. Elias National Park covers more than 13 million acres. That's larger than Switzerland. It features 9 of the 16 highest peaks in the U.S. and offers glaciers, volcanoes, and even ghost towns. Fact number 8. Northern Lights capital. Alaska lies directly beneath the auroral oval, making it one of the best spots in the world to witness the Northern Lights. The vibrant greens, purples, and reds light up the night sky, especially in places like Fairbanks. Fact number 9. Coldest temperature ever recorded in the U.S. Prospect Creek holds the record for the coldest temperature ever recorded in the U.S., minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 62 degrees Celsius in 1971. At that temperature, even boiling water can freeze mid-air. Fact number 10. 80 days of daylight, 60 days of darkness. In Utqiagvik, the sun doesn't rise for around 2 months in winter and doesn't set for nearly 3 months in summer. Life in the Arctic Circle truly operates on nature's terms. Enjoying the breathtaking world of Alaska? Hit that like button and subscribe to keep exploring the wildest corners of America with us. Share this video if you've learned something mind-blowing. Fact number 11. Northernmost, westernmost, and easternmost state. Alaska's Aleutian Islands cross the 180th meridian, meaning part of the state lies in the eastern hemisphere. So yes, it's the only U.S. state that's northernmost, westernmost, and easternmost. Fact number 12. Tongass, America's largest national forest. The Tongass covers 16.7 million acres of temperate rainforest. It's home to bears, bald eagles, and some of the oldest trees in North America. Fact number 13. World's largest salmon run. Over 40 million salmon return to Bristol Bay each year. It's the heartbeat of Alaska's fishing industry and supports a vibrant web of wildlife, including brown bears that line the rivers to feast. Fact number 14. Glacial icebergs in lakes. Lakes like Bear Glacier Lagoon contain floating icebergs that have broken off from nearby glaciers. They drift slowly, creating surreal, icy landscapes that constantly shift. Fact number 15. The mysterious pingos. Pingos are strange, dome-shaped hills formed by freezing groundwater in the Arctic tundra. Some can reach 70 feet tall, and they're found all across northern Alaska. Fact number 16. Juneau, a capital you can't drive to. There are no roads connecting Juneau to the rest of Alaska or the U.S. mainland. You must fly or take a boat, a rare feature for a state capital. Fact number 17. Tides that reach 40 feet. Turnagain Arm near Anchorage has some of the highest tides in the world. The board tide can form a wave you can literally surf inland. Fact number 18. Novarupta, Earth's hidden supervolcano. In 1912, Novarupta erupted with 30 times the power of Mount St. Helens. It reshaped the Katmai landscape and formed the Valley of 10,000 Smokes. Fact number 19. The earthquake capital. With over 20,000 earthquakes per year, Alaska is America's seismic hotspot. The 1964 Good Friday quake was one of the most powerful ever recorded. Fact number 20. The ancient Bering Land Bridge. Alaska once connected Asia and North America. Early humans likely migrated across this land bridge during the Ice Age, changing human history forever. Fact number 21. Kodiak, Island of Giants. Kodiak Island is home to Kodiak bears, some of the largest carnivores on Earth. The island is also the second largest in the U.S. Fact number 22. Brooks Range, America's Arctic Divide. This rugged mountain range splits the Arctic waters from those flowing south. It's a remote wilderness still ruled by caribou and wolves. Fact number 23. Over 3 million lakes. Yes, over 3 million, from tiny unnamed ponds to massive Lake Iliamna. Alaska is dotted with fresh water. Fact number 24. A volcano with a lake inside an island. Mount Cleveland on Chuganatic Island sits in a crater lake on an island in the Aleutians. It's a real-life geography riddle. Fact number 25. Ancient forests frozen in time. Fossilized forests buried in permafrost show that Alaska was once covered in lush vegetation, a stark contrast to today's frozen tundra. From sky-splitting peaks to fire-breathing volcanoes, from frozen forests to endless daylight,
Alaska is not just a state, it's a world of extremes. If you made it this far, you're clearly as obsessed with epic geography as we are. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment with the Alaska fact that amazed you most. And hey, share this video with someone who still thinks Texas is the biggest state.